right, today I have a 2019 Mitsubishi Mirage. All right, all right, I have the Mitsubishi Mirage, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. All right, but before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel for more great content? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I am in the vehicle. I am looking at the center of the vehicle. There's the steering wheel. This is the center of the vehicle. I'm going to start off from the left, and I'm going to work my way around. Right here is the temperature control. All right, I can start off at cold temperature. All right, and it goes all the way to hot right there. All right, next is this right here. This is the AC button. Say for instance you want the air conditioner to be on, make sure the temperature is on the cold. All right, and press this button right here for air conditioning. If you're on the heater, make sure this is off or you're gonna waste gas. All right, going to go ahead and put it back to the heater because it is cold outside. Maybe it's cold outside. All right, so right here is the fan control speed. All right, you can have the thing off right there, or you can go through 1 through 4, blowing really hard. Pretty cool. All right, now for the rear window, to defrost the rear window, press this button right here. All right, that is the rear window defrost. Now, fan direction, okay, where the air is blowing at, you can adjust that right here. You can have it blow at the feet, and the windshield for defrosting, the face and the feet, the face. All right, that's that. And then there's another option down here. You see this right here? This controls the whether the air is being recirculated or drawn from outside. Currently it's being drawn from outside. If I shift it over to this side, it's actually recirculating. All right, very simple. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.